Before I went to the United States of America and I used to see people lining up to go to the embassy in New Kingston, I used to be in awe with a little bit of I wish that was me. Years later, when I went back to Jamaica and I see people queuing up, my whole vibe was a bit different. That much is going to be in drugs, that much is going to end up dead, that much is going to be in prison, and that much is going to get deported. INS, which is now Homeland Security, is a sham. The book is a more transparent version of a chapter in my autobiography, Survived Raw and Unedited. Corruption in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania during the 1990s. Black people was arrested for just about anything in order to systemize them. Corrupt police officer like Leonard T. Sutton from the 18th District. Questionable judges from Philadelphia like Arthur S. Cafferson. Leonard T. Sutton is a liar and a thief. Arthur S. Cafferson is a conspirator in prison for profit. What do I think about the United States of America? The United States of America that I experienced was like being in a pile of shit where I was expected to not stink. My book comes out in early 2020.